Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can enable secure boot option in your Windows computer. So for that you have to open your BIOS first. For that restart your computer or turn it on if it is turned off. Then when it is turning on, in the bottom right corner you will see it will specify which button in your keyboard to press to open BIOS. For different motherboard manufacturers the button could be different, but a common button for all motherboard manufacturers is like the delete key on your keyboard. So when you are turning on your computer or restarting it, you have to repeatedly press the delete button or the button your motherboard specifies to open BIOS. So once you are in BIOS, you will have to find the secure boot enable option. So you can find the option in many tabs, which is boot tab, security tab, authentication tab, custom tab. The option will be somewhere in these 4 tabs. Depending on different motherboard companies, it can be in different options. So in there you will find secure boot option. You have to click on it and click on enable. Once you have enabled it, then you have to go to the exit page of your BIOS. Then you have to click on save and exit. This will enable your secure boot. So that's how you basically do it. I couldn't show you guys the procedure because screen recording will not work in BIOS, but you get the idea. It's very simple. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.